Welcome to Axdif. Here is how to use claim submission. Let's find it out. Firstly, click Menu Claim. Click Plus button. Then, select the claim category. Fill the date. And fill the amount of budget based on the receipts that you have. Type your claim description. Attach the documents such as receipts or bills, transportation tickets, etc., either directly from your camera or your files. Then, tap Add. For the leader's side, this is how to approve a claim request. Firstly, click the Approval menu. Then, click Claim. To approve, you can tap the Approve button. Connect, Engage, Experience with Axdif.